Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you gamers and content creators out there. It's the Logitech G Yeti GX Dynamic RGB Gaming Microphone with Lightsync, and the Compass G Premium Tube-Style Microphone Broadcast Boom Arm. This microphone is designed to take your audio game to the next level with its impressive features and sleek design. Let's dive right in. The Logitech G Yeti GX is not your ordinary microphone. It's a premium RGB gaming microphone powered by Lightsync technology. The custom dynamic capsule and advanced software delivers serious audio performance via USB. Whether you're gaming, streaming, podcasting, or video conferencing, this microphone ensures crystal clear sound quality. Designed specifically for gamers, the Yeti GX features a super cardioid polar pattern. This means it focuses on your voice while ignoring background noise and key clicks. Say goodbye to unwanted distractions during your streams or recordings. Add some flair to your setup with the dual RGB light zones on the microphone. Using Lightsync, you can customize these zones and sync them with other Logitech G gaming gear in G Hub. It's not just a microphone, it's a part of your immersive gaming experience. The Yeti GX boasts a broadcast studio-grade design with enclosed aluminum construction. It's not only durable but also looks fantastic on your desk. The hidden channel cable management system keeps things tidy and sophisticated, perfect for on-camera appearances. Setting up the Yeti GX is a breeze, thanks to its hand-tightened friction hinges. These ensure smooth and quiet operation during streaming sessions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, this microphone makes your life easier. And here's the icing on the cake. You can grab this microphone along with the Compass G Premium Tube-Style Microphone Broadcast Boom Arm as a bundle, saving you money while enhancing your setup even further. Before making your decision, it's essential to hear from those who have already experienced the Yeti GX. Customers love the ease of use, lighting customization, adjustability, and superb sound quality. Many have praised its gaming-friendly design and performance. There you have it, folks. The Logitech G Yeti GX Dynamic RGB Gaming Microphone with Lightsync and the Compass G Premium Tube-Style Microphone Broadcast Boom Arm is a powerhouse for gamers and content creators. With its premium audio quality, customizable RGB lighting, and sleek design, it's a must-have for anyone looking to up their audio game. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the Yeti GX, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting reviews.